Spanning Backup for Office 365 offers enterprise-grade backup and recovery for your business-critical data. Spanning offers unlimited backup and retention for your data, so you never have to worry about running out of storage space, and you know that you can always quickly restore data back into your account. Spanning backs up your Office 365 mail, calendar, and OneDrive data every day, and you can conduct on-demand backups anytime you like. Here's how it works. Log into your Spanning Backup account with your Office 365 credentials. You are first presented with the Mail Restore tab. Spanning displays your backed up inbox similarly to your Office 365 account to make it easy for you to find your desired data. Spanning backs up your data every day, so use the calendar to select the backup snapshot from which you want to restore. Your data will be organized and looked exactly as it did on the selected date. You can select entire folders or individual emails to restore. Additionally, you can use the search bar to quickly find your desired email to restore. When you have selected all of your desired data to restore, click the Select Action button and then the Restore button to initiate the restore process. When the restore completes, all of your selected emails will be restored into a newly created folder in your Office 365 mailbox titled Restored on Date. If you are using the Outlook desktop application, the restored email folder will appear there as well. To restore backed up calendar data, select the Calendar tab. Similar to Mail Restore, use the calendar to select the backup snapshot from which you would like to restore. All of your calendars and calendar events from this date are displayed. Spanning makes it easy to restore exactly the data you need. You can select entire calendars or single events. Additionally, Spanning tracks when each calendar event was modified, so you can quickly restore the correct version by clicking the View All Versions button. Use the search bar to search for specific calendar events, and use the filters to narrow your results by either one-time events or recurrent events. When you have selected all of your calendar events to restore, click the Select Action button and then the Restore button. Next, you will have the option to include attendees in the restore, which will add attendees to the restored events as well. When the restore completes, the selected calendar events will be restored into a newly created calendar in your Office 365 calendar titled Restored on Date. To restore backed up OneDrive data, select the OneDrive tab. Use the calendar to select the desired backup snapshot, and you'll be presented with all the files and folders in your OneDrive account for the selected date. You can select individual files, entire folders, and subfolder structures, or everything owned in your OneDrive account to be restored. When all of your desired data is selected, click the Select Action button and then click Restore. When the restore completes, all of your selected files will be restored into a newly created Restored on Date folder. The original folder hierarchy will be retained in the restore. If you sync all of your OneDrive files onto your local computer, the newly restored folder and files will sync to your system automatically. The Backup tab displays the timestamp of the most recent completed backup. Spanning backs up your data once per day automatically, but you can also initiate an on-demand backup whenever you like by clicking the Backup button. The Activity tab displays all current and past activity for your user account. Please note that the daily automated backups are not displayed in the activity history. If you have any additional questions, please see our knowledge base at support.spanning.com or contact our support team at support@spanning.com.